Hi beauties, how are you all doing? So guys, yesterday I attended one of the best weddings. Let's just keep that one aside and check out my drip. Check out my drip, guys. Check the drip. How am I? I am looking fabulous, beautiful, sweet, elegant, classy. Oh yeah, check out their shebis. Check out their shebis. Check out styles. I bet screenshot the styles you want because styles in a big here. Styles are crying here. Different styles. Beautiful women. Classy, elegant. This wedding is beautiful. Like when I say wedding, a whole wedding is beautiful. Everything about the wedding is beautiful. The luxury, the bride, her dress, their shebis, their dress. They were so looking fabulous. They spent their last card and party because when you look at their dress, you will know that these women, they tried. Everyone wants to look the best. The colors of their shebis, the color, the dress, as in, I was so happy. I was so happy yesterday. It was eventful. So guys, gist. So yesterday I learned something. It's not about you having friends. Would you have a friend that will always be there for you? Friends that you will call once and they will answer. This is what I noticed yesterday. These friends were there for her. Like they were covering everything, making sure that everyone is happy, everyone is there for her, everyone, like they make sure that her friends are well fed and taken care of. That is friendship. So guys, I wish the bride Ijele a happy married life. Congratulations on your new home. This is just the videos I made before my phone battery went off. But yesterday, just taking a look at the whole event, you guys would understand that this is one of the best weddings I've been to.